Good morning friends, I am Shivan Sekaran. Today we have started with the new topic percentage. So percentage you may learn from the school days up to your high school days, isn't it? So now I am going to tell three different types of problems and different types of tricks to solve the problem easier and in a quick way. Let's start with the first type of problem. First, let's consider first problem, 30% of 50. Traditionally, you are doing 30 divided by 100 into 50, isn't it? One simple way, just cancelling the zeros. What it is remaining? 3 5s are 15. So 15 is the answer. Like same way, 20% of 80. Just cancelling two zeros. 2 8s are 16. Like that, 80% of 110. Cancelling two zeros. 11 8s are 88. So this is first type of problem. Very easier, we can solve within few seconds. Now consider type 2 problem. Like type 1 problem, this is slightly varies. Let's consider first problem. 21% of 30. Nothing but 2.1 into 3. Just cancelling zeros. Here no zero. Put decimal point from right to first step. So 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 6.3 is the answer. Now consider second problem. 13% of 40. Simple way. 10% of 40 means 4. Again, 3% of 4 is 1.2. 4 plus 1.2 is 5.2. 5.2 is the answer. Consider third problem, 43% of 50. The same way, you can split 40 plus 3%. Okay. 40 plus percentage of 50 is 200. 3 plus percentage of 50 is 15. 200 plus 15, 215. This is the answer. Now we are going to take third type of problem. Let's continue with the third type of problem. Consider first problem, 75% of 95. So, in your mind, you can split it as 70 plus 5% of 95. You can make easier way. 70 plus 5% of 95. 10% of 95 is 9.5. So 7 into 9.5 plus 5 into 5% of 9.5. 1% of 9.5 is 0.95. 5 into 0.95. So 7 9s are and 7 5s are. Club together, you will get the answer 66.5. 0.95 into 5. It implies 4.75. So total resultant is 71.25. 71.25 is the answer. You can make problem in the reverse way also. 95% of 75. You will get the same result as 75% of 95. Both values are same. Let's continue with the second example. 81% of 122. You can split as 80 plus 1% of 122. In the same way, 10% of 122 is 12.2. Just cancelling the 0. 8 into 12.2 plus 1% of 122 is 1.22. 1 into 1.22. So 8 you will get the answer 97.6 plus 1.22. So the answer is 98.82. This is the answer. Let's continue with the problem. In a class, 60 students. 40% of them speaks only Hindi, 25% speaks only English, and the rest speaks both Hindi and English. How many students speak English? We need to find total number of students who speaks English. Options are here. First option 36, second option 21, third option 24, fourth option cannot be determined, fifth option none. So read problem carefully. Total number of students is 60. 40% of them speaks only Hindi. So only Hindi is 40% of total number is 60. 22s are 25s are 5 ones are 5 twos are 12 twos are 24. Next, consider this 25% of total people who speaks English. So only English, %25 of 60. 5 5s are 5 20s are 23s are 60. So 15. Total number of students is 60. Among the 60, 24 students speaks only Hindi. 15 students speaks only English. So 24 plus 39 or minus 24 minus 15, result is 39. 60 minus 39 is 21. Okay. So 60 minus 39 is 21. You get the answer. Only English is 15. Both languages who speaks English as well as Hindi. This is English as well as Hindi is 21. 21 plus 15 is 36. So both languages include English people also. So 36 is the answer. Let's consider another type of problem. This problem is asked for data sufficiency or this type of workout problem. We have to read the given data carefully to get the answer. Not much tricky, just you have to concentrate on data. Okay, now I am going to read the question. A man spends 20% of salary on food, 15% on conveyance, 10% on education, 35% on rent. If he spends 1,950, how much does he spend on conveyance? See, the answer is here. 15% he spent on education, 15% on conveyance. So, if he spent rupees 1,950, how much he spent on conveyance? Okay, 10% of education is 1,950. 15% is how much? Or else, let's take an test x. 10x is 1,950. 15% is how much? So I am going to simplify here. 1,950 50. Okay. 10x is 1950. 15 is how much? So 1950 into 15 divided by 10. 5 2s are 5 3s are. Okay. So 3 into 0 is 0. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry. 3 9s are 27 plus 1 28. 2 carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5 divided by 2. The answer is 2925. Option A is the correct answer.